Makapangyarihan at maawain naming Diyos, inaalay namin ng buong puso, isip at kaluluwa ang aming mga panalangin, kaisipan, wika, gawa, kaanib ang kamahal-mahalang puso ni Jesus, lalong-lalo na sa panahong ito ng bagong normal.
Sumasampalataya po kami sa iyo, Panginoon, na ikaw ay makapangyarihan sa lahat. Lubos po ang aming pasasalamat na walang anumang banta at panganib sa aming mga buhay, maging ito man ay malulubhang karamdaman o kalamidad na makapipinsala sa amin.
A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Allah, penginamir ka abgi kaming ka sa beger, aku mapia apa mikiranan sagi abkap kataling umaabag wabtad. Ya Allah, penginamir ka apa kali disa kaming ka kulangwan apa makataling mga murala, aku turun kar kami sumapia na aku abgi kaming ka sa katao ilmu ami pangandaw ami sa iko mga muritami. Apakanggir kami aguna sa dunya na sampay sa alungan amawri. Amin, Ya Allah.
Ipinagpapasalamat din namin, Panginoon, ang mga biyayang natatanggap namin sa araw-araw, sa mga pagkain aming nasa harapan, sa kalakasan ng katawan at isipan, sa marangal na trabaho na hindi matatawaran, at sa buhay na walang hanggan.
Bigyan mo po, Panginoon, ng karunungan at pag-iingat ang bawat isa sa amin, ang mga mag-aaral na humaharap sa bagong normal na edukasyon, ang kanilang mga magulang na gumagabay at nagsusumikap para mapabuti ang maliit nilang institusyon, ang mga tao sa unang hanay na patuloy na lumalaban at tumahanap ng solusyon, maging ang mga namumuno sa gobyerno sa paggawa ng mga positibong aksyon.
Panginoon, tao lamang po kami at nakadarama din ng kahinaan sa aming katawan, damdamin, espiritual at isipan. Alam po namin na hindi madali ang mga pagbabagong ito. Ngunit kung ito po ay pagsubok sa amin, patuloy po kaming lalaban at gagawa ng paraan. Hindi po kami lalayo sa iyong plano, Panginoon, dahil alam namin na ang bagay na mula sa iyo ang pinakamahusay. Pagpatawad mo, Panginoon, ang aming mga pagkakasala at paminsan ay paglabag namin sa iyong kalooban. Paunawa niyo po sa amin, Panginoon, na kami ay nilikha mo bilang instrumento ng kabutihan at kaagapay sa tagumpay ng aming paaralan at pamayanan.
Panginoon, tulungan niyo po kaming gamitin sa kabutihan ang bawat bahagi ng aming katawan upang aming matugunan ang munting pangangailangan. Amin pong inilalagak sa iyo ang aming mga alalahanin at pagkabalisa, sapagkat ikaw lamang ang makapagbibigay sa amin ng kapanatagan at kapayapaan anuman ang nangyayari sa aming kapaligiran. Gabayan mo kami sa bawat hakbang upang matiyak namin na ang landas na tinatahak namin ay yaong itinakda mo para sa aming mga yabag. Patuloy naming inilalaan ang aming sarili sa panahong ito para sa kaligtasan ng aming bansa at ng buong sambayan ng Pilipino, sa patnubay ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Mathematics is the science of structure, order, and relation that has evolved from elemental practices of counting, measuring, and describing the shape of objects. It deals with logical reasoning and quantitative calculation, and its development has involved an increasing degree of idealization and abstraction of its subject matter. I'm Sir Phil na nagsasabing, palaging piliin mong Math-Tuto. Hello, good morning. Ayan, pa-comment naman ako ng name, tapos your section on our live chat. Good morning. Welcome to our 7th session of Math-Tuto. And today we're going to have a wrap-up of all the lessons that we have discussed for the whole quarter. And we're going to have a review of all those lessons, pero in the form of test na din, kasi we are preparing for your summative test, no? Because you're going to have your summative test next week. Next week na, yung inyong summative test in Math 9. Okay, so if you're here, makinig mabuti, tapos magsasagot-sagot tayo ng mga periodical exam from the past years. Gusto natin baka may lumabas pa na mga item doon, no? For our summative test. Okay, so good morning, JP. Nandito na si Raven, si Angelica, si Rishane, Eliza, good morning. Mark Francis, yan, si Michael, nandito na rin. Sila pa lang. Sila lang yung may gusto pa lang ayan, from Agoncillo, may Aquino na rin, si Rishane. And from Jose Abad Santos. Okay, sana dumating pa yung iba for ano. Anyway, pwede naman nilang i-replay. Pero ang good thing again dito kasi, pag nandito ka, you can ask questions kapag merong hindi maintindihan with regards with the item. So, at this morning, we're going to have a review nga. Hello, Nicole. Petalver, hello. Ayan, mag-review tayo ha. 50 item test yung i-review natin. Nakuha ko from 2018 to 2019. So, hanggang problem solving, of course, ang re-reviewin natin. Starting with the illustration of quadratic equation. No? Naka-ano na tayo? Naka 8 weeks. So, next week, we will have our summative test. Okay? So, again, welcome to our math session. And let's start with the first 6 items. Letters only ha, letters only. Tapos pag may isa-solve, syempre, wag niyo hulaan. Hindi naman lahat solving. So, pag walang isa-solve, i-type niyo lang yung letter sa ating live chat. Tapos, pag may isa-solve, syempre, wag tayong manghuhula ah. Hindi porket multiple choice, we are free na manghula. Mas magandang isa-solve muna natin bago tayo mag-type in ng ating answer. Okay? So, magta-type. Okay, so, question number 1 muna tayo. Ayan, para may pagitan. May pagitan yung mga Good morning sa mga bagong dating ha. Mag-comment kayo ng inyong name and section para ma-recognize kayo na nandiyan na kayo. Okay, question 1 to 50 ang itatapusin natin ngayon. No? Pero hindi naman, again, hindi naman siya lahat solving. We will try our best na matapos before 12. Again, okay? So, let's start. Okay, question number 1. Wag titingin sa sa lahat ng question. Focus muna tayo sa question number 1. Letters only. Okay, number 1. It is a polynomial of degree 2 that can be written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a must not be equal to 0. A, linear equation, b, constant, c, quadratic equation, or d, quadratic inequality. Okay, type in your answers. A, linear equation, b, constant, c, quadratic equation, or d, quadratic inequality. Ayan, para nag-review lang tayo. Okay. Okay, the correct answer is letter C. Siyempre yun yung lesson talaga natin for the full first quarter. Okay, number 2. What is the quadratic term of the quadratic equation negative 3x plus 2x squared? Wait lang. Question number 2. Hindi pa Question number 2. Oh. Hello. Ayan. What is the quadratic term of the quadratic equation negative 3x plus 2x squared equal to 2? A, 2. B, negative 3x. C, 0. Or D, 2x squared. Go. Hello, John Fernan. Wala pa naman tayong problema, no? Wala namang mababago pa doon sa standard form. Quadratic term, Quadratic term. Okay, so type in na ng mga answers. Okay, so the correct answer here is letter D, 2x squared. 2x squared, quadratic term eh. Pag inayos natin yan, yung quadratic term is 2x squared, ang linear term is negative 3x, tapos ang constant term ay negative 2. Kasi ililipat pa natin yung yung positive 2. Okay, next, number 3 tayo. Ito. Which of the following, nababasa nyo naman, tama ba ako? Ito, nababasa nyo ba yung ating mga questions? Or maliit? Teka, tingnan natin kung malalakihan pa siya, ha? Nababasa naman. Sige. Number 3 tayo. Which of the following equations will not result to a quadratic equation? Okay, will not result to a quadratic equation. Letter A, 2x quantity 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Letter B, 5x equal to 3x quantity 2 plus x. Letter C, 2 quantity x minus 5 equal to 7x. Or letter D, 6x plus 7 quantity 6x minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, we will analyze the 4 option later. Okay, go. For question number 3. Wow. Pwede kayo na yung alam niyo yung sagot. Hello, Rogelio Cordoves. Welcome here. Okay, kasi yung letter A, actually ang titingnan nyo lang dyan yung multiplication of variables. No? Tama? Dun sa letter A, 2x times 3x, x squared. Okay, so tanggal na yan. Quadratic kasi yon. Tapos yung letter B, yung 3x, tapos sa loob may x. Pag minultiply nyo, x squared ulit yon. Dun sa letter C, ang nasa labas lang kasi is numerical coefficient. So pag minultiply nyo siya sa x, 2x lang siya. Tapos yung nasa kabila, 7x. Pag nilipat nyo, x pa rin naman. So wala kayong nakikitang quadratic. Okay? Tapos sa letter D, difference of two squares naman. So probably may quadratic siya. So the correct answer is letter C. Ang gagaling. Question number 4. Which of the following is equivalent to 3x minus 5 quantity squared equal to 0? Again, which of the following is equivalent to 3x minus 5 quantity squared equal to 0? A. 3x squared minus 15x plus 25 equal to 0. Letter B. 9x squared minus 30x plus 5 equal to 0. Letter C. 9x squared plus 30x plus 25 equal to 0. Or letter D, 9x squared minus 30x plus 25 equal to 0. This is square of binomial. Okay, go ahead. Gagawing perfect square trinomial. So what will be the answer? Mukhang papasa naman pala itong mga to sa summative test. Okay, that's number 4. Ayan. Sana talagang totoong alam niyo yung sagot natin, no? It's the conversion of a square binomial to a perfect square trinomial. And the correct answer is letter D. Okay, that's good. Wala pa naman masyadong ngayon. Okay, number 5. Represent the condition as an equation. Okay? The length of a swimming pool, biglang nag problem solving. Question number 5. Represent the condition as an equation. The length of a swimming pool is 4 meters longer than its width, and the area is 25 square meters. Okay, what is the equation for this problem? A, x squared plus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. B, x squared minus 4x plus 21 equal to 0. C, x squared minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. Letter D, x squared plus 4x plus 21 equal to 0. So I think this will be needed an explanation later. But I need to have your answer. Type in your answers for number 5. Don't worry, isa-solve natin. Okay, ang mga sagot ay letter A. Sige, natin ha, bago tayo mag-decide with your final answer. Okay? So, i-represent muna natin yung length and the width. Sino dito ang independent variable? Width or length? Which is the independent variable here? The width or the length? Okay, width. So, yung width natin, ito na naman yung sulat, will be x. So, probably yung length yung dependent. So, yung length natin is 4 meters longer than its width. So, that is x plus 4. So, what will happen now is to apply the formula for the area. So, that is x times x plus 4 equal to the given area, which is 21 square meters. And then, simplify lang natin. We have x squared plus 4x, tapos lipat natin yung 21, minus 21 equal to 0. So, the correct answer is, ano yung mga answer nyo kanina? Letter A. Okay? Correct. Tama, no? Balikan ko nga. Ayan, letter A. Very good. Question number 6. Medyo mabilis tayo doon. Number 6. What is the standard form? Ayan na. What is the standard form of x minus 2, quantity x minus 3, equal to 2? A. X squared minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. B. X squared minus x plus 2 equal to 0. C. X squared plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Or D. X squared minus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Standard form ang tinatanong. Let's do this. Ay, hindi nyo pala nakikita itong ano. Ayan, nagta-type in na ng answer. Puro letter A ulit. Sige, we will check, no? FOIL method muna tayo dito sa sa left side. So we have x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Tapos lipat na natin yung 2. Minus 2 equal to 0. Simplify lang natin yung linear terms tsaka yung constant terms. So we have x squared. Negative 3x minus 2x is negative 5x. And then 6 minus 2 is positive 4 equal to 0. So the correct answer is x squared minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, letter A. Okay, proceed tayo. Wait lang. Tanggalin ko na to. Nasaan na to? Ayaw matanggal. Ayan, next items tayo. Wait lang ha. Number 7. Let's have number 7 to... Ay, wait lang. Wait for a while. 7 to 12. Pag may tanong kayo, magtanong ha. Wag nyong hayaang may iwan ang mga tanong sa inyong kaisipan. Ano-ano sinasabi ko. Okay, ito na. Okay, number 7 po tayo. Question number 7. Lang. What is the value of B if you convert x plus 5, quantity x minus 1 equal to 0? Malabo. Malabo daw. Baka sa sa signal. Parang nag-blur. Okay naman dito. Sa siguro yan, sa connectivity. Refresh mo lang Aldep. What is the value of B if we convert x plus 5 quantity x minus 1 equal to 0 into its standard form? Hello, Ma'am Christine. A 1, B 4, C negative 4, or D negative 5? Okay? Letter B. Okay, so ano muna natin ha? Wait. Okay, nag-type in na for letter B. So let's have the demonstration here. X plus 5, quantity X minus 1 equal to 0. Ayan. So again, gawin muna natin siyang standard form. So using the FOIL method, this will become X squared minus X plus 5X minus 5 equal to 0. So simplify lang natin. We have X squared plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. So, ang tanong lang natin is the value of b. So, saan ba yung b natin dito? The numerical coefficient of the linear term. And that is positive 4. Letter B. Okay, correct. Okay, next tayo. Purahin ko lang. Ayan, ayaw na. Okay, number 8. Which is the constant term? Wait lang. Question number 8. Of 50. Ang dami pa hanggang 50 to ha. Which is the constant term in the quadratic equation x squared plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. O, madali lang yung number 8. A 0, B positive 4, C 4x, or D x squared. Excuse me. Ayan. Saan ba yung constant term dyan? Yung third term. So that is positive 4. Letter B. Okay, correct. Next, question number 9. Which of the following is not a, ayan ulit, katulad kanina. Which of the following is not a quadratic equation? A, x quantity x plus 2 equal to 16. B, 3x squared minus 8x plus 7 equal to 0. C, quantity x minus 3 quantity squared equal to 9. Or D, 2x plus 4 equal to 10. Kitang-kita na agad, ano? Sorry naman sa tanong. Okay, kung letter D ang sagot nyo, kung hindi siya quadratic, anong equation siya? O, yun na lang yung tanong doon. Anong equation ay yung letter D na sagot nyo? Bakit hindi siya quadratic? So, what type of equation is that? Hindi nga, walang kopyahan ng sagot ha. Anong tawag sa equation na yan? Okay? Good. At least alam nyo kung anong tawag doon. No? It is a linear equation. So the highest degree of that equation is only 1, while quadratic equation has the highest degree of, the highest degree of 2. Ayan, good. Okay, number 10. Ayan na, methods na tayo. Which method of solving quadratic equation is the most appropriate to use in a quadratic equation in the form of x squared equal to k? A, factoring. B, quadratic formula. C, completing the square. Or D, extracting the square root. That's for question number 10. 40 items na lang. Natapos na tayo. Ay, ba't may letter F? Mark Francis, ano yan? Ba't may F ka dyan? Okay, the correct answer is letter D, extracting the square root. Okay, good. 11. Okay, nagkamali lang si Mark Francis. Okay, next. Number 11 tayo. Kaya wala pang masyadong sinosolve dito, ha? Okay lang, Mark. Okay, 11. Which property tells us that if the product... Wait, lalakihan ko. Konti. Ayan. 11. Which property tells us that if the product of two real numbers is 0, then either of the two is equal to 0 or both numbers are equal to 0? A, division property. B, addition property. C, transposition. Or D, zero product property. Type in your answers. Or question number 11. Hello, Kate Farren. Okay, the correct answer is letter D, the zero product property. Ayan, ginagamit natin sa factoring method. Okay, next question number 12. A perfect square trinomial can be represented as what special product? Can be, ha? Walang is. A perfect square trinomial can be represented as what special product? A, square of binomial. B, square of trinomial. C, difference of two cubes. Or D, difference of two squares. Type in the letter of your answers. Hello, Jason. Good morning. Okay. Basahin nyo mabuti. Okay, so perfect square trinomial can be represented as a square of binomial. Good morning, Jason. Letter A, square of binomial. Oo nga, Raven. Kasi yung letter B is a trinomial. Okay, good. Proceed tayo. Wait lang. Palitan lang natin. We are now on number 13. Ayan na, nature. Okay, number 13. Question number 13. What is the value, ayan na, of the discriminant if the nature of the solutions of a quadratic equation are two unequal rational numbers? A, 0. B, positive and perfect square. C, positive and not a perfect square. Or D, negative. Okay, ang discriminant daw kapag two unequal rational numbers. Hello, Kate. Medyo mag-iisip kayo dyan, ha? May apat kayong option dyan. Balikan nyo yung ano, yung sa discriminant. Two unequal. Rational ha, rational. A0, B positive and perfect square. C positive and non-perfect square. Or D negative. Balikan nyo talaga yan. Ayan, medyo binabalikan pa ng iba. O, di ba nagbuklat yan na notebook? Yung iba dyan. Nagbubuklat pa ng notebook. Yeah. Huwag kayong magayahan ng sagot dyan ha. Dapat talaga inaalam nyo ha para talaga matututo kayo dyan. Okay? So, the correct answer is positive and perfect square. That is correct. Letter B. Okay, continue tayo. Question number 14. What is the nature of the solution? Nature naman ang tanong of a quadratic equation if the value of the discriminant is positive and a perfect square. Positive and a perfect square. Ayan, pinagbaliktad lang yung tanong ha. Bala kayo dyan. Letter A, two different irrational numbers. B, two equal rational numbers. C, two different rational numbers. Or letter D, two different imaginary numbers. Iniba ko lang yung words. Lima pala. Ayan, anim. Sige lang. Hello. Okay, so the correct answer is two different rational numbers. Letter C. Okay, 15 na tayo. 15. For question number 15. 35 na lang. What is the value of the discriminant if the solutions are two different imaginary numbers? Again, what is the value of the discriminant if the solutions are two different imaginary numbers? A, positive and a perfect square. B, positive but not a perfect square. C, 0. Or D, negative. Okay, the correct answer. Ayan, madali lang yan, no? Madali lang yan. Letter D. It's negative. Okay, next. Working backwards. Number 16. Question number 16, working backwards. Which of the following quadratic equations has the solution of negative 5 and 3? So given yung solutions or the zeros or the values of x, we are asked to find the equation. Okay, so working backwards tayo. A, x squared minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. B, x squared minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. C, x squared plus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. Or letter D, x squared plus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. Okay, type in your answers. Working backwards tayo dyan. Sige, syempre natin, no? Pakita natin. Okay, so working backwards. So x is equal to negative 5 and x is equal to 3. So let's work backwards. We have x plus 5 and x minus 3 equal to 0. And of course, let's use the FOIL method. X squared minus 3x plus 5x minus 15 equal to 0. So we simplify. This is now x squared plus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. So the correct answer is... Patay kayo. Nako, baliktad ang sagot nyo. Di ba working backwards? The correct answer is x squared plus 2x. Bakit letter B sagot nyo? Minus 15 equal to 0. Si Rishi lang nagsagot ng letter D. Ay, check nyo yung sagot nyo. Magsi-zero product property. Yes, JP. Hinanap lang na daw nyo yung factors. Yes, magsi-zero product property tayo. Pabalik. Working backwards. Okay, so the correct answer, si Rishane lang tuloy ang tama. Letter D. Congrats, Rishane. Yung mga nagsagot ba ng binarealize nyo, baliktad po pala, sir. Hindi po ako nag-zero product property. Ayon, di ba? Gusto ko na trick kayo dun sa question na yon. Okay, yes, Raven, it's letter D. Yes, Aldep, it's letter D. Ayon, Eliza. Nako, Eliza. Okay, it's letter D, ha? It's letter D. Nako, nakalimutan nyo na yung working backwards. Okay, number 17 tayo. One of the solution of 2x squared minus 13x plus 20 equal to 0 is positive 4. What is the other solution? A, negative 2/5. B, positive 2/5. C, negative 5 halves. Or D, 5 halves. Go. It's question number 17. Siyempre, magsasolve muna kayo dyan. Kaya si Raven may sagot na. Okay, so the correct, ayun, tama naman eh. Pag tama na, hindi ko na isosolve. The correct answer is letter D. Okay, next batch. Wait lang ha. Next batch of question, burahin ko lang yung dito. It's number 17. Konti na lang. Ayan, ayaw na naman. Okay, so proceed tayo with number 18. Ako, nakikita ko puro solving na. Wait lang, wait lang. Okay pa naman tayo, no? 50 items to. Okay, ito na. Okay, number 18. What are the solutions of the quadratic equation x squared plus x minus 56 equal to 0? Question number 18. Type in your answers. Solutions na ha, value ng x. Kaya na yan ng factoring method. Ng negative 56, ano? Wala pang sagot yung iba. Let's wait. You have the same answer naman. So, x probably plus a and x minus 7. So, zero product property, we have x equal to negative 8 and x equal to positive 7. Correct? Letter B. Congrats. Okay, next, number 19. Question number 19. Find C in the quadratic equation 2x quantity x minus 4 equal to 0. Mamaya may attendance tayo ha. Find C in the quadratic equation 2x quantity x minus 4 equal to 0. So we are looking for the constant term. Ayun, no? Umuulan ng letter C. Okay, wala siyang constant term. So the value of the constant term or the value of C is 0. Correct. That's letter C. Okay, number 20. May namatay. Question number 20. What are the factors of the quadratic equation x squared plus 9x equal to negative 8? Oh, standard form muna ha, baka magkamali na naman kayo. Letter A, quantity x plus 8, quantity x plus 1 equal to 0. Letter B, quantity x minus 8, quantity x plus 1 equal to 0. Letter C, quantity x plus 8, quantity x minus 1 equal to 0. Letter D, quantity x minus 8, quantity x minus 1 equal to 0. Do not forget to write it muna in standard form. Ayun, no? So, para lang ano, no? So, pag sinulat natin sa standard form, lilipat lang natin yung negative 8. So, magiging x squared plus 9x plus 8 equal to 0. So, probably lahat ay positive. So, x plus 8 and x plus 1. So, correct. That is letter A. Okay, good. Question number 21. What are the solutions? Ito, may kalalaman sa letter number 20. What are the solutions of the quadratic equation in item number 20? O, kunin nyo lang yung solutions. A, positive 8 and 1. B, negative 8 and 1. C, positive 8 and negative 1. Letter D, negative 8 and negative 1. Ayan. The answer is both dahil positive parehas yung factor, so the answer is both negative naman yung solutions. Letter D, correct. Proceed tayo. Question number 22. Taas ko lang. Which of the following is equivalent to x squared minus 16x plus 64? Ayan. Perfect square trinomial to a square binomial. A, x plus 8 quantity squared. B, x minus 8 quantity squared. C, x plus 8 quantity x plus 8. Oh, same lang sa letter D, x minus 8 quantity x plus 8. Dalawa lang pagpipilian natin dyan. No? A or B. Tapos titingin lang tayo sa middle term. That's negative. Ay. The correct answer is letter B. Correct. Next question number 23. Which of the following numbers will complete the perfect square trinomial x squared plus 22x plus blank? A, 11, B, 121, C, 121 over 2, or D, 121 over 4? Gagaling. Di ba ano yan? 22 divided by 2 is 11. Tapos 11 squared is 121. Okay, good. Letter B. Correct. Itaas natin. Number 24. What are the solutions of the quadratic equation 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 equal to 0? Again, what are the solutions of the quadratic equation 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 equal to 0? A, 1 and 5. B, negative 1 and 5. C, 1 and negative 5. Or D, negative 1 and negative 5. That's for question number 24. Ayan, sagot nyo ay letter C. Solve natin ha. Of course, pwede natin ito i-divide by 2, ano? Divide natin by 2 yan. Kasi it can be divided by 2. So this will become x squared plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. So madali na ito i-factor. The factors are x plus 5 and x minus 1. So x is equal to negative 5 and x is equal to positive 1. Okay, ayun. Letter C. Correct. Okay. Proceed tayo. Proceed. Next tayo. Okay, number 25. Question number 25. Malapit na. Kalahati na to. In the quadratic equation 4x squared minus 6x plus 7 equal to 0, which is the term that indicates quadratic? A, 0, B, 7, C, negative 6x, or D, 4x squared? Type in your answers. Okay, the correct answer is D. Correct. Question number 26. The length of a rectangular dining table is 3 meters longer than its width. If the width is represented as x, how will you represent the length? A, 3x. B, x minus 3. C, x plus 3. Or D, x quantity x plus 3. Dali ng mga tanong. Sana ganyan sa summative test, ano? Okay, good. The correct answer is x plus 3 kasi 3 meters longer than the width, yung length. Okay, correct? Letter C. Question number 27. What are the solutions of the quadratic equation x squared plus 9x plus 14 equal to 0? A, 2 and 7. B, negative 2 and 7. C, 2 and negative 7. Or D, negative 2 and negative 7. Puro R yung mali, ano? Laging naka-is. Ayan, positive na naman, ano? Yung factors natin. Our factors will be x plus 7 and x plus 2. Kaya pag kinuha natin yung solution using the zero product property, they are both negative. So x is equal to negative 7 and negative 2. So the correct answer is letter D. Okay, good. Question number 28. O yan na. What is the standard form of the quadratic equation 3x plus 18 equal to negative x squared? A, negative x squared minus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. B, negative x squared plus 3x plus 18. C, x squared minus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. Or D, x squared plus 3x plus 18 equal to 0. Ayan, probably, no, ililipat lang natin actually yung negative x squared dun sa, sa unahan. So that is still positive. Letter D, correct. Question number 29. What is the value of the discriminant of the equation 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 equal to 0? A, positive 9, B, positive 4, C, 0, or D, negative 2. We are asked to find the discriminant. May formula ang discriminant, di ba? Coming from the quadratic formula, that the discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Ayan, letter C yung mga sagot nyo. Let's have it. Kasi ang A dito ay positive 4, B is negative 12, C is positive 9. So substitute lang natin. Negative 12 squared minus 4 times 4 times 9. So negative 12 squared is positive 144. Negative 4 times 4 is 16. Excuse me. Negative 16 times 9 is negative 144. So 144 minus 144 is 0. Very good. The correct answer is letter C. Okay, question number 30. Konti na lang. Find the roots of the quadratic equation x plus 2 quantity squared equal to 4. Find the roots of the quadratic equation x plus 2 quantity squared equal to 4. A, 2 and 4. B, 2 and negative 4. C, 0 and negative 4. Or D, 2 and negative 6. Standard form muna, ha? So this will become x squared x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 4. Nilipat ko na yung 4 doon. Equal to 0. So wala na to. Ano na lang? X squared plus 4x equal to 0. So by factoring out, we have x and x plus 4 equal to 0. So 0 product property. X is equal to 0 and x plus 4 is equal to 0. So meron na tayong x is equal to 0. So yung isa, x is equal to negative 4. The correct answer is letter C. Correct ang sagot. Okay, good. Proceed tayo. Tatapos na tayo. Last 20 items. Ano naman number? 31 na, no? Okay, next batch. Ay, mali. Number 6. Ito na. Okay, for question number 31. What kind of solution does the equation x squared plus x plus 5 equal to 0 have? A, rational number. B, irrational number. C, unreal. Or D, 0. What kind of solution does the equation x squared plus x plus 5 equal to 0 have? A, rational number. B, irrational number. C, unreal. Or D, 0. Anong gagawin dyan? Discriminant muna before you determine the nature. We are asked here, no? Hindi lang pinoint out, but we are asked to determine its nature. Kaya medyo natagalan sila. Kunin muna yung discriminant. Pag nakuha na yung discriminant, that's the time that we can determine the nature. So again, the discriminant is given by b squared minus 4ac. So ang b natin dyan ay 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5. So we have 1 minus 20. The answer is negative 19. O, negative ang discriminant. Okay, the correct answer is, okay lang, Raven. Be careful, ha. Letter C, unreal. Very good. Next question, number 32. What is the nature of the solution of the quadratic equation negative 2x squared plus 1 equal to 2x? A, two different imaginary numbers. B, two equal rational numbers. C, two different irrational numbers. Or D, two different rational numbers. Again, discriminant muna. Gawin muna ang standard form. Pwede naman na yung negative 2. Lipat nyo na lang yung 2x. Kaya nagsosolve pa sila. Patanong na si Raven, napagod na. Kaya solve natin, Raven, don't worry. Letter C. Sige, gawin muna natin standard form. Wag na natin baguhin yung negative sa sa quadratic term. Okay lang 'yon. Kasi discriminant naman 'to eh. So negative 2x squared, lipat yung 2x minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So b squared minus 4ac, yung b natin is negative 2 squared minus 4 times negative 2 times 1. So negative 2 squared is 4. Negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8 times 1. Okay? So 4 plus 8 is 12. Positive tsaka non-perfect square. Positive and non-perfect square. The correct answer is letter C. Correct. Good, 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 good. Proceed tayo with question number 33. Wala nagkagulo. Wait lang. Burahin ko lang to ha. Question number 33. What is the sum and the product of the roots, ayan na, of the quadratic equation 14x squared minus 4 equal to 0? Sum and product. Ang sum natin ay, anong formula? Negative b over 2a and then the product is c over a. Okay, which of the options respectively are the values of the sum and the product of the roots? Wala tayong linear term. So probably yung sum natin is 0. Product natin is C over A. Ang product natin C over A, di ba? Eh di negative 4, but A. Ang sum natin, negative B over A. Eh wala tayong B. So 0. Yan na naman kayo. Kaya sinasabi ko eh. C po pala. Di ba? Ang product natin C over A. Eh yung C natin negative 4 eh. Over 14. So pag sinimplify nyo, negative 2 over 7. O, di ba? A kayo ng A eh. Ang ano lang, ang may negative lang yung ano, yung sum. Pero yung product as is, nalito sa sign. O, di ba? Puro A kayo kanina, tapos biglang C po pala. Sabay-sabay pa kayo. Okay. That's good. So, the correct answer is letter C. Okay, question number 34. At least ano, bago ko sabihin yung sagot, na-realize nyo agad. Okay, number 34. What must be added to x squared minus 4x to make it a perfect square trinomial? A, 2, B, 4, C, 8, or D, 16? Ayan, negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Quantity squared is positive 4. The correct answer is letter B. Next, question number 35. Find the value of the discriminant of 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. For question number 35, find the value of the discriminant of 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Solve ko ha. Okay, again, b squared minus 4ac yan. So, ang b natin is positive 4 squared minus 4 times 3 times 5. So, 4 squared is 16 minus 12 times 5 is 60. So, we have negative 44. Letter C, negative 44. O, kanina nagkamali kayo dito ha. Question number 36, working backwards. Write a quadratic equation given the roots. Okay lang, Ana Marie. Given the roots, negative 2 and negative 4. O, ito na, working backwards, bumawi kayo dito. A, x squared minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. B, x squared plus 6x minus 8 equal to 0. C, x squared plus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. D, x squared plus 6x plus 8. bumawi kayo dyan. Ha? Kanina nagkamali kayo dyan. Sabay-sabay pa kayo. Letter C. So, x is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to negative 4. So, working backwards, we have x plus 2 and x plus 4 equal to 0. So, using the FOIL method, we have x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 8 equal to 0. So, this is now x squared plus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. All are positive. Correct answer is letter C. Ayon, very good. Letter C. Okay, next batch. Konti na lang, 14 questions na lang. $37. Mali. Okay. Okay, for question number 37, again, working backwards. Which of the following equation has the roots negative 2/5 and positive 3? Which of the following equation has the roots negative 2/5 and positive 3? A, 5x squared plus 13x minus 6 equal to 0. B, 5x squared plus 13x plus 6 equal to 0. C, 5x squared minus 13x plus 6 equal to 0. Or D, 5x squared minus 13x minus 6 equal to 0. Working backwards ulit tayo. Ayan, may sagot na sila. So probably, shortcut ko na yan ha. 5x, quantity 5x plus 2 and x minus 3 yan, equal to 0. Using the FOIL method, we have 5x squared minus 15x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Simplify natin. We have 5x squared minus 13x minus 6 equal to 0. The correct answer is letter D. Wow! That's good. So we could proceed with question number 39. 38 pa lang. Mamadali. What is the sum and the product of the roots of the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0? O, bumawi kayo dito. Mali kayo kanina. Sum and product respectively. Or baliktad yata. Again, yung sum is negative b over a. Tapos yung product natin is c over a. May sagot na. Pwedeng i-mental yan. Negative b over a, negative 4. Negative quantity, negative 4 divided by 2 is positive 2. Ang pagpipilian na lang natin ay C and D. Tapos yung product C over A, that's 1/2. Positive. So letter D, correct. Okay, number 39. Working backwards. Given the roots, negative 1/4 and negative 5/3, which of the following is the quadratic equation? A, 12x squared plus 23x plus 5 equal to 0. B, 12x squared minus 20x plus 5 equal to 0. Letter C, 12x squared minus 23x minus 5 equal to 0. Letter D, 12x squared plus 23x minus 5 equal to 0. Working backwards for number 39. Iba-iba sagot. I-check nyo mabuti, ha? So, we have 4x plus 1 and 5x plus 3 equal to 0, I think. So, we have... mali. Baliktad ako. 3x pala. 3x plus 5. Okay, so we have 12x squared plus 20x plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Simplify 12x squared plus 23x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, the correct answer is letter A. Good. Okay, number 40. Which of the following, working backwards ulit, is the quadratic equation with the roots positive 3 and negative 5? Number 40. Sampu na lang. Ayan, madali na yan, ano? So, we have x minus 3 and x plus 5 equal to 0. So, we have x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 equal to 0. So, x squared plus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. Ang ganda ng sulat. Okay, letter C, correct. Next batch. 10 na lang. Tuloy tayo. Oh. Yan na. Okay, for question number 41. Okay, may isang problem dito. For question 41 and 42. 41 muna tayo. Mr. Orolfo constructed a rectangular school stage for a small program. The length of the rectangular stage is 7 meters longer than its width. Number 41, if the area of the stage is 18 square meters, how will you formulate the equation of its area? A, x quantity 7x equal to 18. B, x plus 7 equal to 18. C, x quantity x plus 7 equal to 18. Or letter D, x quantity x minus 7 equal to 18. So, madali na sa inyo, no? X plus 7 kasi yung length. Tapos yung width is x. Then the area is 18. Correct answer is letter C. And of course, for question number 42, isosolve na. What is the length of the rectangular stage? A, 2 meters. B, negative 2 meters. C, 7 meters. Or D, negative 7 meters. What is the length? Okay, so to solve that, gawin muna natin standard form. Yun nandun sa number 41. So that is x squared plus 7x minus 18 equal to 0. So factor natin, x plus 9, x minus 2. Parang walang sagot, no? So x is equal to negative 9 and x is equal to 2. 2 yung ano? 2 yung width. Paano kukunin yung length? Plus 7. Wala nga yung sagot. Wala sa key. Sorry na. O, ano sagot? O, sabihin nyo yung sagot. 2 meters yung width. Oo, wala yung sagot. Wala yung sagot sa pagpipilian. So, type in the correct answer. So, magpa-plus 7. Okay, good. That's correct. 9 meters. Correct. O, at least alam nyo. Trinay ko lang kung alam nyo na talaga. Trinay ko lang, no? Okay, nakalusot ko yon. Okay, number 43. 9 meters is the answer. Trinay ko lang kung talagang nakikinig kayo. Yun, 2 meters by 9 meters yung dimension. Okay, question number 43. May isa buong question ulit, ha? Move on. Okay, tama yung 9 meters. Jackson is making a rectangular miniature house for his project with an area of 32 square centimeters. The width of the rectangular miniature house is 4 centimeters less than its width. Okay, number 43. How will you represent the width of the rectangular miniature house? A, x, B, x minus 4, C, x plus 4, or D, negative 4 minus x. The width of the rectangular miniature house is 4 centimeters less than its length. Length pala to. Sorry. Yung nasa dulo. Burahin ko, burahin. Length yan, length. Length. So, yung length natin dito, yung yung independent. So, yung width daw is 4 centimeters less than its length. Ayusin yung sagot. Si length yung yung independent variable. Si width ngayon yung dependent. So, the answer is letter B, x minus 4. Ano 4 centimeters less than its length. Ayan, inayos ko lang yung problem. Okay, next. Question number 44. Matatapos na tayo. How will you represent the equation for the area of the rectangular miniature house? A, x minus 4 equal to 32. B, x quantity x plus 4 equal to 32. C, x minus quantity x plus 4 equal to 32. Or D, x quantity x minus 4 equal to 32. Okay, correct. X quantity x minus 4 equal to 32. Letter D. Next question number 45. What is the measure of the width of the rectangular miniature house? A, negative 4 centimeters. B, negative 8 centimeters. Or C, 4 centimeters. Or D, 8 centimeters. So we have x minus 4 equal to 32. X squared minus 4x minus 32 equal to 0. Factor natin x minus 8 and x plus 4. So we have x equal to 8. This is the length. 8 is the length. Tapos 4 less yung width. So the answer is 4 centimeters. Letter C, 4 centimeters. Okay, that's correct. Last batch na tayo. Last 5. Na-check mo, Angelica? Mamaya yung attendance after ng last question. Okay, final, na tayo? Final batch, 46 to 50. Tingnan natin. Ito na. Puro problems to. Let's start for number 46. Question number 46. The sum of two numbers is 22 and the sum of their squares is 250. What are the numbers? The sum of two numbers is 22 and the sum of their squares is 250. What are the numbers? Mga number problem yan. Actually, kung mga ganyang question lang, Tapos multiple choice naman, magbe-base na kayo sa ano, dun sa option. Kahit papaano, no? Kasi may option naman. Ano yan eh, parang x tsaka 22 minus x. Tapos, get the sum, x plus 22 minus x. Tapos, square nyo pa, is 250. Pero sabi ko nga sa inyo, pag multiple choice naman kasi yung summative test, eh kung number problem naman siya, di ba? Alin dyan yung ang sum nila is 22, tapos pag in-square nyo yung dalawang number, yung magiging sum niya is 250. 250 naman. So, i-analyze nyo na lang yun. Correct answer is letter C. Correct. Wala kasi tayong ano eh. Multiple choice naman yung summative test. So, i-analyze nyo na lang yung mga option. Okay? Huwag nyo nang pahirapan sarili nyo. Question number 47. The difference of two positive numbers, may clue na agad doon, may clue, is 4. And their product is 96. Find the numbers. Two positive numbers eh. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga choices. Kaya mabilis lang yan. Two positive numbers. Alin lang ba sa mga choices yung positive numbers, di ba? Very good. Pag mga ganyan, strategy lang yan. The correct answer is, ayan, type nila. Okay, correct. Letter C. Proceed tayo. Question number 48. The sum of the squares of two consecutive whole numbers is 41. Find the numbers. The sum of the squares of two consecutive whole numbers is 41. Magkasunod daw, magkasunod. Find the numbers. A, 4 and 5. B, 4 and negative 5. C, negative 4 and 5. D, negative 4 and negative 5. Either 8, A, or D na lang yan. Consecutive. Sum of their squares is 41. Okay. Gusto ko yung sagot ni JP. And ni Raven. Ay, pwede din pong D. Oo. A and D. Kasi i-square naman eh. Pag in-square natin yung negative 4, positive pa rin lalabas. Pag in-square natin yung negative 5, positive pa rin. So, pwedeng A, pwede ring D. Okay? Hindi lang siya A. The correct answer is A and D. Kasi consecutive yan parehas. Pag in-square nyo yan parehas, positive pa rin yan. So, 41, positive 41 pa rin yung lalabas. Okay? The answer is A and D. Next, question number 49. Ay, malapit na. If you square a positive number, then add twice the number to the result, you will get 80. What is the number? If you square a positive number, isang number lang yung tinutukoy natin dito. If you square a positive number, then add twice the number to the result, you will get 80. What is the number? A, 6, B, 8, C, 10, D, 12. Sige nga, analyze. Yung number daw, kukunin nyo yung square. Tapos i-add nyo dun sa twice ng number na yon. Letter B. Anong nangyari si Ana Marie? 8 squared is 64. Plus 8 times 2, 16. 64 plus 16 is 80. Correct? Letter B. It's 8. And finally, tapos na tayo, number 50. If 3 times a positive number is subtracted from the square of the number, the result is 10. Find the number. If 3 times a isang number lang din to. If 3 times a positive number is subtracted from the square of the number, the result is 10. Find the number. A2, B3, C4, or D5. 3 times a positive number. So, kung ang answer nyo ay D is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtracted from the square of the number, that's 25. 5 squared, 25. So, 25 minus 15 is 10. Correct. The answer is D. At tayo tapos na. Bababa ko na yung attendance. Okay, mag-attendance tapos babalik kayo dito para lang sabihing done. Bawa ko po attendance. Balik dito para mag-done ha kung okay na yung attendance. Ayan. Nandiyan na po. Nandiyan na ba? Ipipin ko na lang. No. Nakikita nyo na ba? Mag-done kayo after. Okay, I'm gonna pin the attendance. Mag-attendance na po. Nakapin dyan sa taas. Mag-fill out. Balik po dito to say done. Ayan. Laki ko. Okay, thank you, James. Thank you, Anna Marie. Thank you, Rishen. Good luck sa summative test. Good luck, ha? Next week na yon. Sa Aquino on Monday, sa Agoncillo on Tuesday, Abad Santos on Thursday. Good luck on your summative test. Happy weekend. Stay safe. Happy lunch. Thank you so much. Thank you, Raven. Thank you, thank you. Good luck on your summative test. Thank you so much. Mag-lunch na po tayo. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Good luck ha. Good luck sa summative test nyo next week. And of course, thank you so much for attending this live session. Goodbye and thank you. Mag-lunch na po.
Mathematics is the science of structure, order, and relation that has evolved from elemental practices of counting, measuring, and describing the shape of objects. It deals with logical reasoning and quantitative calculation, and its development has involved an increasing degree of idealization and abstraction of its subject matter. I'm Sir Phil na nagsasabing, palaging piliin mong Math-Tuto.